What is creative problem solving? And there are two components in this term. One is creative, which means it takes some creativity. And the second part is problem solving. First, what is creativity? It is output that is novel and useful. What is new? Some people told me that there's nothing new under the sun. Please take a look at the figure with a lot of dots. One meaning of novel or novelty, if you ask me, is that you see connections between components that other people do not see. To identify relationships between things that people have not been able to identify. And these relationships are meaningful and powerful. So running. So to understand what is creative, what is novel about this, what dots is this machine connecting? Think about the definition of running. You go from spot A to spot B in relatively quick pace. What is the problem then? You need space. But in this product, what moves? The ground moves, the space moves. The individual actually, regardless of how fast he or she runs, will be actually running on the same spot. You see running, you see two limitations. And normally, when people think about problems, how to solve, they would think about, hey, how can I create more space? But then this solution tells you that, hey, instead of the person moves, the ground moves. And then it connects what to solving this problem? The treadmill. Do you think this rotating belt is something totally new under the sun? No, even back in the First World War, there were tankers with these rotating tracks. And you draw connections between these three things. And there is an analysis called fishbone analysis. This is like a fishbone because at the end, you have the outcome. But what caused the outcome? This Sandusky parade, the performers would stay and the audience would move. If you see the major cause for injuries for the parade, people when they perform, they're moving. If they are stationary, there will be fewer injuries. So get yourself out of the box. What if it is not a money problem? What is it? Why do you need insurance? So what if we turn this parade also upside down? What if the performers don't move, but the audience move? You want to see celebration, right? So who's moving? So what? You can make connection between performances, moving, injury, insurance to not moving.